I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in on Walmart. For that, open up your browser. After you open up your browser, search walmart.com on your search bar. Now you land on Walmart's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left. Go to account or sign in. Select sign in. Now enter your email address. Enter your password. After you are done, tap on sign in. This way you can log in on Walmart. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.